You gotta keep it on, sweetie pie.
I have to clean it.
Hmm?
Can I clean it?
Of course you can clean it.
I will look how I clean it. I will look how I clean it. I will look how I clean it.
Very good.
Clean it in my mouth. No, this is too bad.
Alright, sweetie pie.
Why are you wearing them?
Why do I wear them?
Yeah.
To protect my eyes also.
Doesn't get too close to your eye.
Well, you remember how a couple times the pieces almost hit his eye?
Yeah.
Well, this is to stop that.
And it
So
goes
let's make sure we
here.
have it. I think this one. Like
This
that.
one.
The chest. There it is.
Do we have everything? Do we have everything?
I think so. I think we're okay.
Okay, so mustard.
Yeah.
Oh, this comes out like solid. But I'm gonna do my green team
Hmm?
and my green face.
Okay, so just don't forget the flex.
Done.
Oh wow, you're moving fast. So, you were excited about doing this one, right? What did you like the most about it?
Green.
You like that green?
Yeah. Done. I'm done.
Wow, it's very green. Oh, these are very delicate supports. It's easy, right? Well, the green probably not. The purple, wow. It's like butter. It's like Baba's butter.
Done.
Very good. Maybe one day I can let you do this by yourself. You want to try that someday?
Yeah.
When would you like to try that?
So good for you. I used that. You started to buy this one.
Now we don't have to worry about our eyes anymore.
Huh?
Now we don't have to worry about our eyes anymore.
Yeah.
It's a good feeling, right?
Then
Very good. Can you take the hands out of there for me?
here, we'll do this one. We'll do this.
After you finish that, I'll finish this.
No, wait.
Let's go. We don't need that.
Thank you. You're done with this. I will do.
I mean, it's very hard, sweetheart. I mean, it's gonna hurt you. It's not. This is gonna hurt you, sweetheart.
I
You
know.
need to be spaced out before you put it in. It's hard for
Can
me.
we do 2 videos?
Yeah. You can do 3 if you want.
Yeah.
But I gotta do one with Alina.
Can we do one? One more?
That's it. Here. Like this.
This is the Green Goblin, how it looks.
Oh wow.
Did you like
Ready?
Did you like how I'm doing it fast?
Yeah. You ready?
Now I will never keep.
Alright. Keep it on. No, keep it on. This is part of it. There you go. It's foggy?
Yeah.
Okay, it's good down. 1, 2, 3. 3D print grays.